So today, Norwegian Cruise Line got an upgrade from Barclays, which is the analyst on Wall Street. And low-key, the stock has been moving higher for the past 24 months. These are the pandemic lows. Rightfully so, when price revisits that $10 region, Wall Street, smart money, licks their chops and goes long. Now, before we get into the most recent news, I'm going to put this as a target. Why? Resistance, support, resistance. Major resistance, support, resistance. All right, let's get into the news. Barclays upgraded Norwegian to overweight, given favorable supply and demand trends in the cruise industry and the company's attractive valuation. Norwegian is the highest beta cruise stock, during which they expect will be a strong year for the industry-wide fundamentals, with a relative valuation that is too attractive for us to ignore, the analyst wrote. The demand for cruises remained robust, driven by competitive pricing compared to land-based vacations and growing interest in private island destinations. Now, while the supply growth across the industry is expected to remain below pre-pandemic lows through 2025 and decelerate further in 2026 and 2027. Now, Barclays remains also positive on Royal Caribbean as well. Nevertheless, this is a Norwegian video. So we're going to go down to the weekly chart, because there should be levels of interest where price is going to pause at least. And so we have at this $29 level, and what do you know? Price breaks through this daily sellers level, dips its toes in the lower portion of this resistance support band, and pulls back. Rightfully so. Price typically in trending markets go up, impulse move, pull back, impulse move. Now, it'd be nice if we see a pullback to this daily sellers level, which would be somewhat of a flip zone, and we'll look at that zone on the daily chart. But this is what I'm expecting, this type of trajectory for price action. Go down to the daily chart. I just want to show you that zone. It was good for a couple of touches. Drop in price, base and candles drop out. Price comes back once, twice, a third time, fourth time. But in the case here, price to the upside with momentum at its tailwinds beat up the sellers as price continued to move higher. All right, so we're going to go back to the weekly chart. We're going to take this off the chart, and I want to bring to your attention, this is why we call this a flip zone. That would be weekly buyers at $23. This pullback, impulse move higher, I would anticipate breaking through en route to a $34 target. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.